What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Headed up to Boucherie, one of my favorite French steak joints.
Nice. Is that a Zeus?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice to see those in the wild.
Super guy. I've been here a lot of times, so I'm not going to do a full review on the way out for you. Just the ride there. Jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review. There's 3 locations of Boucherie, actually 4 if you count the small joint. There's Grand Boucherie, which is awesome, up in Midtown on 6.5 Avenue. Beautiful. That's their newest one. There's Boucherie Union Square, which is where I'm going right now. That's a nice spot. The original location of Boucherie, though, is over on 7th Avenue South. It used to be a bar, club, music venue called Garage back in the day. That is a gorgeous space. They're all really gorgeous spaces. And then there's a tiny one called Petite Boucherie right around the corner from there for a little bit more of an intimate experience. Highly recommend all of these places. Great for date. They do a really nice traditional absinthe service, which I'm gonna try to show you today. Holy shit. Fucking bus. Probably get a steak. They do a great escargot. I'll get that. I'll show you that. And you know, like I said before, just jump out to the website. Check out the full reviews. I probably got a review for every one of these locations. I've had just about every cut of meat at this place. Some favorites were the veal chop. They had a really nice pork chop there as well. All of the beefs, like the traditional beef cuts of steak, are really good. Strip. They do a great au poivre sauce, so if you get like a strip steak with french fries and au poivre sauce, you're going to be very happy. They do nice charcuterie. This place I'm going to now, the one here by Union Square, has a really nice I guess it's like a charcuterie bar. The one in Midtown has like a raw bar. It's really cool. They all have something unique and different and beautiful. So make sure you get to one of these locations and you know, really dive in. Go with an appetite. Make sure you can try a bunch of stuff. They have a good burger. They do good brunch services too. All right, here we go. Right here. Boucherie. I'll see you guys on the inside.
It's got to find the one that works. Oh, work.
There you go.
I'm so unhappy. Well, I just never knew how unhappy. They dated for about a year.
Oh yeah.
Dropping loads.
I have this one. I shot this one before.